Centre has released 18 crore rupees as a first installment for promotion of Manipuri language and Manipuri script. Informing about this development, Rajya Sabha MP Laisemba Sanajauba took to his X account and wrote that it is a positive move to acknowledge the Manipuri language and script which is used in royal chronicles for over 2000 years. This is a step forward towards getting the classical language status. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren also retweeted the post of MP Laisemba Sanajauba while also thanking Prime Minister Narendra Modi for allocating the fund to promote Manipuri language. Chief Minister also appreciated MP Laisemba Sanajauba for his efforts in elevating the status of Manipuri as a classical language. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren also informed that the state government is also putting efforts to protect the tribal dialects spoken in the state by carrying out various courses, activities and programs.